Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, thanks for tuning in. My name is Happiness and I make videos from Abuja, Nigeria. Guys, you're always welcome to my channel. Like as I always say, guys, today's video, I'm so happy for today's video because it's an unboxing video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram too. If you guys follow me, so I posted a video last week on this unboxing. I got these things. Let me show you guys. These are the boxes that I'm going to be unboxing, guys. Look at how big. I have 6 boxes here and one other package. That's this other one. I'm going to be unboxing in front of everyone, in front of you guys. I know you guys are my family, so I'm going to be unboxing this in front of you guys. I know all my orders, but I've not unboxed, I've not opened anyone, so I'm going to be unboxing it, guys. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do anything you know you always do with my video. So why don't we just stop all these things and just jump right into this video. The first unboxing is going to be on this small package. So yes, okay. So this is what is inside, and it goes for 1,289 and the shipping fee is, I think, is 1,919. That's the shipping fee, and this is what is inside, guys. This is what is inside. I ordered this bun, or is it bun or puff? Okay, that's a puff, little puff. So this is what is inside the second box. So we are going to start with the box, and this is the first box. So I almost cut my hand. Jumia and packaging. This small thing is look at what is the big carton it came with, guys. This is a biotin supplement. This is a biotin supplement for hair, nails and skin, and it's sold at 2,400. That's 2,400. That's how much I bought it. There is no shipping fee in this one. Okay, altogether is 3,030 naira. So the second box I have here, these people, where the way they package things, look at this small thing, guys. I ordered for this new medra. New medra is sold at 8,999 and plus the shipping fee is 9,629. This new medra, is it new medra? Yes, new medra. I hope I'm saying it correctly. I saw a video of it with Freeborn Noble, so, and how it worked for her acne prone skin. So my face is full of acne. You guys know now I suffer from acne, and this acne thing is a genetic one, in the sense that my mom had it. So this is the new medra. So that is what is in here. This is the third box. So I got this one right. The way Jumia packages their stuff, guys, small thing like this, you will see big carton. What is this one? This one is What is this? What is this? Okay, this is a face serum. I got this face serum also because I want to start my, I want to do a challenge on this my acne to see acne blackhead. Mine is mostly blackhead to see how it goes. So these products I got them from Jumia, as you guys are already seeing. So I want to use it and test to see if this is how the serum, face serum, vitamin face serum. So it sells at 3,200. Fourth box, guys. This is the fourth box. So this is look at this small thing. Look at this. Look at the kind of carton it came with. This is okay, tea tree oil. So as you guys, this is also part of my face treatment, the product I got for my face. So this is how the tea tree oil, it came in two, is like this, and it sells at 1.4. So this is how the tea tree oil is, guys. As you guys know, I want to start this my face and see if this my stubborn blackhead will not leave me alone. Even if it doesn't clear, at least let it just be minimal. Now, like, okay, this is what I was really expecting. I really love this one. This is bentonite clay. Oops. Sorry guys, this is bentonite clay. I want to use it for my hair and also my face, because it's also good for hair and for face too. So I want to use it for my hair and my face too. So this is luxurious sheer bentonite clay, guys. I got so many things for my face and hair. So these products, I mean, and sorry guys, this is going to be the last unboxing, and this product, I don't know what's inside of this package. Let's see. Okay, that's, oh my goodness, this is one of the things that I love so much in this my unboxing. But what is the most expensive of them all is this Neomedro. Am I pronouncing it well? Neomedro, yes, Neomedro. That's the most expensive. This one is the most expensive. I sold at 8,999 naira, guys. That's one naira to make it 9,000, and this is the most expensive of all of them. This thing I'm removing now is black castor oil. You guys, most of the things I got here is mainly for my hair and my face. I didn't get anything for my body. This is Jamaican black castor oil, guys, and this is I don't even know. Okay, Jamaican black castor oil, whatever it is, Jamaican black castor oil. So then, yeah, I got it at 2,700. That's the price. So guys, I've come to the end of this my unboxing. These are the things I got. I got all these things from them too. So guys, if you know you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. These are the things that I got. I spent close to 30,000 for these things. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.